A hard reset, sometimes called a factory reset, completely restores your Aura frame to its original out-of-the-box state. This means all photos, videos, Wi-Fi settings, and contributor access will be erased. It's typically used when the frame won't power on properly, keeps disconnecting from Wi-Fi, freezes during setup, or when you're preparing it for a new owner. There are two reset options. The app-based reset removes content through the Aura app, but it permanently deletes everything. The hardware reset uses the physical reset pinhole on the frame itself. Before doing either, it's strongly recommended to contact Aura customer support, especially if the frame was a gift or you want help restoring content later. To perform a hardware reset, keep the frame plugged into power the entire time. Locate the small reset hole on the back or bottom near the power port. Using a paperclip, gently press and hold the button inside for about 10 to 15 seconds. Continue holding until the screen turns black and shows a factory reset or erasing message. Release the button and allow the frame to complete the process. Once finished, the frame will restart and display the default Aura image along with a 4-digit pairing code. This confirms the reset worked. Open the Aura app, tap the A icon, choose Add New Frame, and follow the prompts to reconnect.